Štrukli. Sweet cheese strudel. A dessert from Croatia. Serves 4. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Make a small depression in the center of the sifted flour, put 1 egg and oil into it, mix with a knife and add the lukewarm, slightly salty water combined with the vinegar. Knead the dough until completely smooth. Step 2. Divide the dough into 3 equal parts, with a well-floured brush cloth, them with oil roll and set out one of the dough pieces with a rolling pin and continue stretching the dough with floured hands towards the edges of the table until it becomes thin. Cut off any thick edges. Step 3. Leave the stretched dough to dry for a while every 4 inches with a large wooden melted butter, and then cut out the 1/3 of the prepared filling over 1/2 of the dough. The edges of the dough must be tightly sealed with the help of the tablecloth. Make more štrukli from the remaining parts of the dough and filling. Step 4. Cook the štrukli in slightly salted boiling water for 10 minutes, but do not cook large quantities at the same time. Take the štrukli out of the water with a spoon and arrange them in a heat-resistant bowl. Pour fresh cream over the štrukli and bake in a hot oven for about 15 minutes. To taste. Step 6. Filling preparation. Mix the softened butter with the strained and creamed cheese, whisk eggs and sugar until light and fluffy. If necessary, add a small amount of sour cream, depending on the cheese consistency. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.